Management of time and service recording for temporary employment agencies. Management of time and service recording for temporary employment agencies. From the headquarters of the temporary work company and through the back office configuration, employees and companies are registered, obtaining thus a database of all our customers. When the employee arrives at his workplace, he reads the NFC tag at the entrance indicating that his workday begins. These NFC tags are identified, indicating that they are for temporary workers' use only. By configuration, the employee sees the data automatically filled in: the shift/schedule, the area, the entry time, and in this case the entrance recording. Once the working day is over, the employee rereads the NFC tag indicating the exit, and he also can see the time he are leaving. These records are stored by CheckingPlan, reflecting the information of the clocking in and out. When the employee arrives at his/her work location, he reads the NFC tag that is on the entry placard. In case we start our working day, we read the first NFC tag, and by configuration we will see the date, the start time, the location or area, the name of the employee, the company, and the name of the temporary employment agency to which he belongs. Next we see a checklist for revision. In this case it indicates the safety clothing protocol that we have to carry and which we must verify for correctness. The questionnaires are configurable and customizable. Once we have checked that we carry everything necessary to perform our tasks, we can optionally include observations, photographs, and even view files assigned by the company, and those belonging to the area where we are located, such as a map of the factory, terms of use, user manuals of machines. In addition, the employee can sign that work time recording that has been generated, indicating that the information is true and that, in this case, begins his working day. Once the employee presses the Start button, the information is sent directly to the back office. When the employee has finished the working day, the workflow is the same, although we have to read the NFC tag at the end of the day, indicating that we have fulfilled the expected hours. When the employee arrives at the area where he needs to perform a task, he reads the NFC tag that is located there, and in the app he can see the pending tasks to realize in that area or for a specific machine. Once the task to be performed on the machine has been selected, a revision checklist is displayed. By configuration, the start time of the task appears, and additionally, while the task is performed, the employee can report incidents related to that zone or asset. He also can add observations, photographs, and even view the instruction manual, maintenance or working protocol using the attached file tab of the application. Once the task is finished, the employee saves the register, which adds the finishing time of the service and transfers everything to the back office. All the information recorded in the field, both of the clockings as of the performed services, arrives automatically to the back office, where all these registers are stored by CheckingPlan, leaving evidence of all the data regarding clocking ins and outs, as well as the information registered with date and time of the tasks and services accomplished. Back office and through the Reports Manager and Designer report tag, the reports can be personalized and display the services that the employee have done in a particular company, in total, or the hours that have been made in a company by temporary workers. They can be exported to different formats for later use and analysis. In addition, in the event of an absence of an employee, an alarm can be sent to the temporary employment agency via SMS or email in order to assign another person or remedy such app. We also rely on a web environment for the end user, third parties or companies where they can visualize the work centers, the services that have been done, and the information registered by the employees. Thank you very much for your attention.